In this tutorial, we will be discussing about the mapping of standard sum of product and standard product of some expressions on a 4-variable K-map. First problem. Map the SOP expression on a K-map. The SOP expression given is AB bar CD plus AB C bar D plus A B bar C D bar. How to fill the K-map cells with ones and zeros? Which cells of the K-map should be filled with logic 1 and which and all should be filled with logic 0? So find the binary values of the minterms in the expression. Locate K-map cells whose binary value matches with the binary value of the minterms in the given expression. Fill these K-map cells with logic 1 and fill remaining cells of the K-map with logic 0. First minterm is A B bar C D. To find the binary value, if a variable appears in true form, put 1, and if a variable appears in complemented form, put 0. So in the minterm under consideration A B bar C D, as variable A is in true form, put 1. Variable B is in complemented form, so put 0. Variable C and D are also in true form, so put 1. So finally we will get the binary value of the minterm A B bar C D is 1 0 1 1. This means variable A is equal to 1, variable B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 1. Locate the cell whose binary value is 1 0 1 1. So this is that cell whose binary value is 1 0 1 1. Fill logic 1 in that cell. As we are considering a minterm, fill the corresponding cell with logic 1. Second minterm of the given expression is A B C bar D. Binary value of the minterm is 1 1 0 1. To find the binary value, if a variable appears in true form, put 1. If a variable appears in complemented form, put 0. In the minterm under consideration A B C bar D, as A, B and D are in true form, put logic 1 for the corresponding variables. As C is in complemented form, put logic 0 for the corresponding variable. So we will get binary value of the minterm A, B, C bar D is 1 1 0 1. This means that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 1. Locate the cell whose binary value is 1 1 0 1. Fill that cell with logic 1. Third minterm of the given function is A B bar C D bar. Binary value of the minterm under consideration is 1 0 1 0. As variable A and C appears in true form and as variables B and D appears in complemented form. So here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0. Locate the cell whose binary value is 1 0 1 0. Fill logic 1 in that cell. So these are the cells with logic 1. These 3 cells corresponds to the 3 minterms of the given function. Remaining cells of the K-map are filled with logic 0. So this is the final K-map after mapping the given standard sum of product expression. Problem number 2. Map the POS expression on a K-map. The expression given is A bar plus B plus C bar plus D into A plus B bar plus C plus D into A bar plus B plus C plus D bar. So the given expression is a POS expression which is A bar plus B plus C bar plus D into A plus B bar plus C plus D into A bar plus B plus C plus D bar. How cells of this K-map should be filled? Find the binary values of the max term in the given expression. So the given expression is a standard product of some expression, and so terms in this expression are called as max terms. Find the binary value of the max terms in the given expression. Locate K-map cells whose binary value matches with the binary value of the max terms. Fill these K-map cells with logic 0 and fill remaining K-map cells with logic 1. In the given expression, the first max term is A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. To find the binary value, in the case of a POS expression, if a variable is in true form, put 0, and if a variable is in complemented form, put 1. Here variable A is in complemented form, so put 1. Variable B is in true form, so then 0. Variable C is in complemented form, so 1. Variable D is in true form, so again 0. So binary value of the max term A bar plus B plus C bar plus D is 1 0 1 0, where A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0. Locate the cell whose binary value is 1 0 1 0. So this is that cell whose binary value is 1 0 1 0. Fill logic 0 into that cell. Second max term of the given expression is A plus B bar plus C plus D. Binary value of the max term is 0 1 0 0. As variable A, C and D appears in true form, those bits are filled with zeros, and as variable B appears in complemented form, that bit is filled with logic 1. So binary value of the max term A plus B bar plus C plus D is 0 1 0 0, as A is in true form, B is in complemented form, C is in true form and D is also in true form. So A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 0. Locate that cell on the K-map whose binary value is 0 1 0 0. Fill that cell with logic 0. Next max term of the function is A bar plus B plus C plus D bar. To find the binary value, if a variable is in true form, put 0, and if a variable is in complemented form, put 1, as we are discussing product of some expression. Here, as variable A is in complemented form, put 1. Variable B and C are in true form, so put 2 zeros, and the last variable D is in complemented form, so again output 1. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 1. Locate that cell on the K-map and enter 0 into that corresponding cell. So we have entered all the three sum terms with zeros. Fill remaining cells of K-map with logic 1. So here we have successfully mapped the given standard POS expression on the 4-variable K-map. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.